A freshening onshore trade wind flow brought a few light passing showers to the southeast this morning. Otherwise, the weather pattern remains unchanged from recent days and tomorrow will likely be much the same. Meager falls over the south and east of around 3 mm at several locations, but the standout was 9 mm as Lakemba and 7 mm at Matuku and Lotoka. There is still no sign of anything more substantial for the farmers to bring some relief to crops and livestock. Clouds evident over Fiji today are mostly high-level cirrus clouds in the jet stream, which have no rain associated with them. A few passing trade wind cumulus about the east in the onshore wind flow did produce light showers about the east today, but nothing of any great significance. The SPCZ remains well to the north near the equator, and there's nothing of any significance in our region at this time. East to southeast trade winds persist over Fiji thanks to the high pressure midway between Fiji and New Zealand. Winds will shift more easterly and east later tomorrow, and as they do, temperatures and humidity are likely to creep up a little. Local sea breezes about the main islands. Continuing fine and warm over the west tomorrow with mostly sunny skies, a few clouds developing inland later, light to moderate trade winds and fresh afternoon sea breezes. 1 or 2 early morning showers along the Hibiscus coast at first tomorrow, clearing to a fine day with a mix of sun and clouds, moderate to fresh easterly trade winds and afternoon sea breezes. A mix of sun and cloud again tomorrow over the central and eastern division with 1 or 2 brief passing shower in the fresh onshore trade winds easing and tending easterly later tomorrow night. Fresh east to southeasterly winds on coastal waters easing later tomorrow night. Fresh afternoon sea breezes about the larger islands, moderate seas and swells. The weekend is expected to be more unsettled with some afternoon showers about as trade winds ease for a bit while the weak front passes over New Zealand. This front will push the high currently south of us away to the east, allowing a new high to push into the Tasman Sea behind it. By next Monday, we should be back to stable southeast trade winds across the region as this new high intensifies. No significant falls are expected, and there remains no risk of any adverse weather for the next 4 or 5 days. From the Mai TV team and NaDraki, we wish all a safe and pleasant evening and an enjoyable weekend.